look at all this. That stuff has to get out of there. That can start rotting your cowl. Alright, well, I took the wipers, the arms off. Not filming because most of the time they're a big pain in the rear. And maybe I got anger issues, and maybe I didn't want y'all watching me while I do stuff. But anyway, no, they came off really easy. Ignore the neighbor's kids. They are obviously having an amazing field day over there. So I'm going to get this off, and I have something in the box over here. Now this is out. You can see that was broke there. There's a whole nother row that it's missing. You can tell where it's broke off there. Where else? Oh yeah, that's broke in there. So none of these screws was actually holding on this side. But the main reason I want this is with it being broken, that big gaping hole. Look at all this. That stuff has to get out of there. That can start rotting your cowl. So I need to get the shop vac hooked up and get up in there and get what I can out. Alright, after a few moments of vacuuming, it is clear, no leaves. A little bit of surface rust, but nothing I'm too worried about. No deep pitting, no holes or anything like that, so I'll get that cleaned up a little. I do want to clean all this up, and then I can get to installing the new cowl panel, which obviously is what I'm doing in this video. Obviously, the cleaning is going to be done via Super Clean. I'll get all this up here, hit it with a little brush I have over here, get it all agitated, dilated, whatever kind of lated it needs to be. I'm just going to go over it with this, get it clean, and there we go. Now we can get the new one out and get it installed. Alright, so this was packaged very well. I just forgot to film it and think, maybe I should do that. But very well packaged. Pretty cool that it came with its own screws. These are the pieces that go over like this, and now that fits perfectly under there and closes this gap off, and the cowl panel goes across there. So now you have a lot nicer seal that is going to block a lot more leaves than that big open spot right there. Alright, this is just sitting on here, but you'll see now how much smoother and cleaner everything looks with this on and the way it's supposed to be. It is a night and day difference. Look how much cleaner that looks. Wow. I just almost transformed it. You can take the heat gun and kind of make this form a little bit better. You know, this 30-year-old car, 35-year-old car, it's got some imperfections in it. So, all in all, super excited. Got these big gaps closed up where the leaves could get in. There was a huge one up here in this area because this whole part was missing. And then there was, all this was open on both sides. So it was a pain, but get the wipers on now. This is, I'm super happy with this. I love it. There we go. Look at that. Man, it's just a tremendous difference up here. It just looks so much better. Like I said, we're putting lipstick on this pig. Got the wheel bearings done. Got the cowl panel done. I need to find out what these are called. This one's not terrible, but the driver's side is... Well, I'll show you. Look at that. Look at it. Yeah, and then this piece right here is pretty bad. It's not that bad on the other side. And then this, I'm going to try the wet sand method. Hey, buddy, where are you going? Come on, give me superpowers. Give me superpowers. The last thing I'll throw in is there's no place for a reservoir or anything. I could add a reservoir somewhere and eventually run the sprayer back again, but for now I just left it like that. But if you are not doing that, don't forget to get your sprayer out. This one screw on the bottom here, and that's pretty much all there is to it. So yeah, just make sure you get it out. And like I said, I might eventually run one, but until now, you know, for the time being, it's just going to stay like that. I'm perfectly fine with that. Last thing I'd probably do, I don't know why I didn't think about it, is paint your arms while you have them off. So I might pull these again later and paint them, but for the sake of the video and just boredom, I'm not doing that in this video, but you get the point. Might as well do it while you're there. So yeah, it's another quick short video putting lipstick on a pig. Hope y'all liked it. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Simple, effective, goes a long way. This is the Mod Addict. I am going my fat self inside and getting ready for some steaks. Thank y'all for watching. Have a beautiful day, and I'm out of here.
I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 16 bars. I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 16 bars. I won't turn around, I won't turn around. No matter how far I go, I'll never come.